Hello and welcome! Today we're diving into the world of one of the internet's favorite animals, the capybara.
The animation scene in the video were created using the Planet Zoo computer game.
You've probably seen memes of it laid back, chilling in all sorts, but there's so much more to this South American superstar than meets the eye. From scientific facts to wild stories and ancient legends, let's discover why capybaras are truly the kings of chill. Let's start with the basics. The name capybara is derived from Brazil's indigenous Tupi capivara, a complex agglutination of ca, which means leaf, plus pi, which means slender, plus the u, which means eat, and ara, a suffix for agent nouns, meaning one who eats slender leaves, or simply grass eater. Its scientific name is Hydrochoerus hydrochaeris. The genus name Hydrochoerus comes from the Greek word hydor, meaning water, and the Greek choeros, meaning pig or hog. While the species name Hydrochaeris comes from the Greek hydor, meaning water, and the Greek chairo, feeling happy, enjoying. So a water pig enjoying water, right? Well, guess what? Despite its scientific name of pig, the capybara is the largest rodent in the world. Imagine a supersized guinea pig which can weigh up to 70 kilograms, that's about 150 pounds, and measure over a meter long. Native to South America, capybaras are found in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Argentina, and Uruguay. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals, which means they spend a lot of time in and around water, like rivers, lakes, marshes, and swamps. Their webbed feet help them swim, and they can even hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Capybaras belong to the family Cavidae, and their closest relatives are guinea pigs and rock cavies. They are herbivores, mostly munching on grasses, aquatic plants, and sometimes fruits. Interestingly, capybaras practice coprophagy. They eat their own feces to digest their food twice and extract maximum nutrients. Grass. They live in groups, usually in smaller family units, but sometimes up to 100 individuals. These social animals communicate with a variety of sounds: barks, whistles, clicks, and even purrs. Capybaras are also known for their unique dental adaptation. Their front teeth never stop growing, which is perfect for their constant grazing lifestyle. Now let's get to the fun stuff. Capybaras are famous for their chill attitude. You'll see photos of capybaras hanging out with monkeys, birds, turtles, and even crocodiles. Their calm nature means they rarely get aggressive, and other animals seem to sense this, often using capybaras as comfy seats or even as lookout posts. In Japanese zoos, capybaras are a sensation. Some of those zoos let capybaras soak in hot springs during winter, creating viral videos of these giant rodents relaxing in steamy baths with oranges floating around them. Capybaras have also inspired internet memes, as their chill attitude is legendary. Of course, they have a place in South American folklore and indigenous stories. In Amazonian mythology, the capybara is sometimes seen as a symbol of water and abundance. Indigenous peoples such as the Guarani and Yanomami have stories involving capybaras. For example, among the Guarani, there's a tale where the capybara is a wise animal that teaches humans about cooperation and peaceful living. In some regions, capybaras are believed to have magical powers to summon rain or ensure a good harvest if treated respectfully. Some Amazonian tribes even believe that capybaras are the reincarnation of ancestors who loved water. Another legend comes from Venezuela, where capybaras are called chigüir. During the Lent period before Easter, Venezuelans traditionally eat capybara meat because capybaras were classified as fish due to their aquatic habits, making them fair game for consumption when other meats were forbidden. Capybaras aren't just famous in the wild, they've made their way into pop culture. In anime, video games and children's books, capybaras are often depicted as gentle giants. In Brazil, capybaras are so common in urban parks that they are considered unofficial mascots of cities like São Paulo. In Argentina, capybaras have become a symbol of peaceful resistance after a group of them took over a luxury-gated community in 2021. Much to the amusement of locals and the internet. Capybaras are listed as least concern by the IUCN Red List, thanks to their wide distribution and large population. However, habitat loss, hunting for meat and skin, and conflicts with farmers pose threats in some areas. Capybaras play an important ecological role. They help control aquatic plant growth, disperse seeds, and serve as prey for jaguars, anacondas, and caimans. So, what can we learn from the capybara? Maybe it's their easygoing attitude, their ability to get along with everyone, or their love for water and community. Capybaras remind us to slow down, enjoy the company of others, and not sweat the small stuff. Thank you very much for joining me on this journey into the world of capybaras. If you enjoyed these stories and facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite capybara story. If you would like to hear the song from the background, you can find it in my music list. See you later, capybara!